I grew up on the East Coast in New Jersey, a blue-collar kid, family of bartenders. I was a curious individual as a kid, and I was a puzzle solver. It wasn't until I came here and was put on a space program that my eyes then lit up.
Scott is someone who can really talk, and everyone who knows Scott can really talk, but he's also a great listener, and I think that that's something that he really brings to the table.
He is very engaging. He's one of these people where you feel instantly at ease. And so the way that he leads is, he is very straightforward, he's very transparent, he will tell you what you need to know, and he will tell the team what they need to know.
Scott believes in empowering the team members. He gives everyone the ability to make decisions at their level. He will put you in a position to challenge you and to allow you to succeed.
Right now, space has so many different missions. Webb was purpose-built to answer the questions, where did we come from and are we alone?
The biggest challenge in the James Webb Space Telescope was the fact that all the technology was new.
There was no room for error, there was no room for failure, there was no room for mistakes. We had to get it right and get it perfect on this first try.
The world looks at this type of achievements as a scientific achievement. However, this is entirely an engineering achievement.
Scott got the entire team to believe that regardless of the challenges that we were going to have, he knew we would get through them.
He made us a promise that he was sticking with us until launch. I think he felt personally responsible for Webb and actually for his team.
If we were getting some bad press for something, we'd had an anomaly, he would get his leadership team together and he would say, don't pay any attention to that. You guys know how hard this is. You know the great things we're doing. You know we're going to get through this.
That morning, when the launch happened, I think it was just really such a phenomenal feeling.
Everybody clapped. We sprinted outside, grabbed a bottle of champagne, and we're in the parking lot, cheers and hugging everybody.
Engineers take big problems and summarily break them down to smaller problems, solve smaller problems, and build them up to great successes. That's what an engineer does.
I worked with Scott in some really challenging times, and despite what was going on, he always made such an investment of his day to ensure that he was making time for anyone who really reached out to him and was truly a mentor.
I've always been impressed with how much time he takes, and how he makes it a priority to go to an intern luncheon or to go to a design review.
The honor that I'm receiving here today, the most that it means to me isn't something personal. It means that it represents a set of accomplishments that came about the teams that I led.
And it's so cliche to be like, oh, he cares about people, but I think he really does. I think that it comes across in the way that he talks to you and acts with you.
I am a product of somebody who helped me. For me, mentorship is a critical part of feeling my career was successful. It isn't just the products. I do not want to just go out as the Webb program manager. I want people in their careers saying, Scott gave me a chance that somebody else didn't think I could do.